Hey guys, and good morning. I'm in my bathroom right now. I figured I would do like a little morning skincare routine. So I actually already washed my face and I used my Fresh Soy face cleanser. This is my favorite face cleanser. So I used that, and then now I'm just gonna get into like my morning skincare. I keep it pretty simple in the morning. It's nothing like too intense or anything. Let's just get started with that. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to clip my hair back. It's going to look kind of wild right now and I don't look too hot, but whatever. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a toner. And the toner that I like is the Henriksen Balancing Force Oil Control Toner. I'm almost out, but I have a backup. So I'm just going to take that on a little cotton pad and I just wipe that all over my face. And then I really focus it in like my nose area, where I get the most clogged pores. So I just threw my hair up real fast. It was bothering me. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a serum. The serum that I've been using is the Henriksen Truth Serum, and I just apply this in the morning. Take about like this much. And what I do is I rub it in my hands and I just kind of press it into my skin. Again, like I keep it really simple in the morning, so this is probably going to be like the shortest video ever. The next thing that I just started using is the Drunk Elephant Protini Polypeptide Cream. I wanted to try this out. I heard good things about it, and since it's more of like a gel, lightweight consistency, I use it in the morning and I take a pretty generous pump, usually like one pump. And then what I do is I just rub it in my hands, and again, like I press it in and then I massage it. And then if I need more hydration, I'll just take a little bit more and apply that all over my face. And sometimes even what I do is I'll take like half of a pump and just go over my neck one more time. Always in an upward motion, because gravity is trying to bring you down. So today is Monday, the 28th, and it's 8:32 right now, and I actually don't have work today, so the judges made it like a restricted work day, and I live pretty far from my job. I live about 45 minutes to an hour away, so I decided that I will not be going in today. So I decided to film this little morning skincare routine. Like I literally woke up at like 6 o'clock in the morning and I was just kind of laying in bed. Like I tried to go back to sleep, but I just couldn't. So I just kind of let that sink into my skin. And then I'm going to go in with my, not a moisturizer, I just went in with moisturizer. I'm going to go in with my, why can't I speak today? I'm going to go in with my sunscreen and then another serum. So what I've been doing is I've been mixing the Glossier Invisible Shield SPF 35 sunscreen, and I've been mixing it with my Drunk Elephant D-Bronzi serum. And all I do is I take about one pump of this. It only comes out like a little bit, so sometimes I'll do like 1.5 to 2. And then I always take about like that much of that, and I just mix it all together. And it's gonna look pretty crazy when I first do it, but once you blend it all in, it looks really nice. And then I'm going to go in with an eye cream, and I'm going to be using the Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. And all I do is I just take that pretty generous amount on my ring finger. So when you're applying any eye cream, you should always use your ring finger because it applies the least amount of pressure. And you just kind of want to pat it in like so. And I've been like really struggling with awful dark circles. I don't know what is going on. Like, I feel like they were never this bad before, but they're just so dark. I don't know what's happening. Like, I feel like I get enough sleep. I don't know. And then honestly, like that's pretty much it. The only thing I do last is I go in with my lip cream. So I take the Laneige lip sleeping mask and I actually just apply that to my lips and I leave it there while I'm doing the rest of my makeup. So that is pretty much my morning skincare routine. Again, I keep it pretty light and simple in the morning because I do go in with makeup obviously after, and then my nighttime skincare routine is a little bit more in depth. I have more products and whatnot, so let me know if you want to see my nighttime skincare routine and I will definitely film that for you guys, like removing makeup, all my like serums and all that stuff. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. I know it probably wasn't the most exciting, but I like watching skincare videos, so I hope that you guys really liked it. Let me know if you use anything, or let me know what kind of eye creams you guys use because I need these under eye circles to be gone like yesterday. They're so bad. But yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and then also hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post new videos. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!